Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're diving into one of the oldest leafy greens known to humankind. One that's not only peppery and delicious, but also surprisingly easy to grow. We're talking about watercress. Did you know watercress was once a staple food for Roman soldiers? It was thought to improve stamina and sharpen the mind, and recent research suggests they weren't wrong. Watercress is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, ranking high in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, and even iron and calcium. Watercress is believed to have originated in the cool, clean waters of Europe and Asia, growing along streams, springs, and riverbanks. It's one of the oldest known leafy vegetables consumed by humans, with documentation dating back to the Persian Empire. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, even built his first hospital beside a stream so he could grow fresh watercress for his patients. That's how valued this plant was and still is. Watercress is a fast-growing semi-aquatic perennial with dark green rounded leaves and hollow stems that creep and float. The flavor is bright, peppery, and slightly bitter, like arugula with a clean water finish. The plant can grow in soil, but it really thrives in moving water or moist environments where it forms lush mats of edible foliage. What makes watercress unique is how wet it likes to be. It grows best in cool temperatures, ideally between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and needs consistently moist or shallow water to stay happy. If you're growing it at home, you can use a container with standing water or a self-watering system, or even a hydroponic setup. Give it partial sun to full sun depending on your climate. Cooler zones can handle more direct light. Watercress grows so quickly and densely that it doesn't always need companions, but if you're planting it in a bed or container with others, stick to fellow moisture lovers like mint, parsley, celery, or lettuce. Just be cautious, watercress can outpace its neighbors if not kept in check. One thing to know, watercress propagates easily. Snip a few stems, place them in water, and they'll root quickly on their own. This makes it a great plant to keep cycling indoors or out, especially if you're doing microgreens or cut and come again harvesting. It also acts as a natural water purifier, taking up excess nutrients and improving the quality of the water it grows in. Watercress is most famous for its culinary uses. Use it raw in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, or lightly cook it into soups, sauces, and stir fries. Its peppery bite pairs beautifully with creamy textures like cheese, eggs, or potatoes. While not officially a medicinal herb, it's long been used to aid digestion, boost immunity, and clear up respiratory issues thanks to its high vitamin C content. So if you're looking for a fast-growing, nutrient-rich leaf green that adds flavor and function to your garden or even your kitchen windowsill, watercress might be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've grown watercress or use it in your favorite recipe. Like, share, and subscribe for more plant profiles and growing tips. Until next time, happy planting.